Kids, don't try this at home without an adult supervision.
Hi guys, we're about to cut something open.
Have you ever wondered what's inside of squishies?
Today we're gonna cut them open.
Wow!
The wild child. I'm doing these. Wow, look at this. So squeezy. Oh, it works.
Whoa, what is that, a dinosaur?
Yeah.
Pink, orange,
Mom, look at
orange.
this.
Wah! Wah! Whoa.
Is that squeeze it?
Looks like llama
Oh, I
guts.
haven't felt this one yet. Mom, a bud.
Lily. He's ready to cut him open.
Yeah!
What do you think's gonna be in there?
I think it's gonna be lots of tiny beads.
I think something like rice, kind of, but like tinier. Like
Little tiny beads.
Little tiny beads.
I think they're gonna be in this one.
Yeah, it's the same. The banana sounds the same.
Yeah, he sounds the same too.
And it feels the same.
Gussie, what do you think's in here?
Popping beads.
Popping beads.
I think green water. Squishy beads. I think green water.
Guess we'll find out.
I knew it.
Whoa! What was it? It's sand!
Sand?
There's sand in him.
There's sand?
He's full of sand.
I think there's gonna
And
be
this guy's
sand
just
in.
floppy. Lily's turn. Is it gonna be sand in there again? More sand. Oh, but it's white sand. Oh, there's so much sand in there. I knew sand was what was in squishy toys. This one is so cool.
Water and
Whoa!
me too.
Water and ribbons in there. In there, Gus. Whoa! What toy do you guys want to cut next?
This one.
That one. Ooh, nice. Oh, Lily got this one. What do you think that is?
I think it's like white milk.
White milk? Oh, and what do you think is in
White
it?
cake with water.
White tea and water.
I think it's sand.
I think that is some chemicals. I think that's chemicals. It was chemicals. I think it's chemicals.
Oh! Oh! What is that? It looks like glue?
I think it is.
Oh!
Is it blue?
Ew, it came out that little hole. Oh, gross.
It got on my gloves.
Ugh, good thing we're wearing gloves, huh? It feels kind of like foamy glue, like old whipped cream. Oh.
Can
Oh,
I
it looks cool.
Okay.
I
Oh.
knew it was the same thing. It's gold.
No, it's the same thing.
It's just sand. That's
Ow.
inside his head. Whoa!
Blue liquid.
Wow.
He's cutting it open. What's it gonna be? It's in there.
I knew it was green liquid.
It's green slime. Oh,
Touch it.
chunky green slime.
Slime. Oh, and it doesn't comes off and doesn't make a stain.
Kind of looks like green boogers. Ugh. Ugh. Ew, it's like boogers and sand. Ugh.
And it looks Captain Golden here.
Oh my goodness, how cool is that? So we think that watery glitter is in there. What do you think? Now that you're pulling it out, what do you think's in there? Same thing?
Maybe there's Orbeez. It's clear Orbeez.
Oh my gosh, there is clear Orbeez in there.
Clear Orbeez.
Whoa.
Clear Orbeez and golden glitter.
What?
I got an Orbeez.
It is clear Orbeez and glitter.
Golden glitter.
Oh my goodness. That's awesome.
Look, it's in the sand.
We definitely know what's in there, huh?
Yeah. Rainbow Orbeez.
Whoa!
Orby going.
Whoa.
Orby maker.
Whoa, it looks so cool. It feels so cool. The Orbeez mixed with the slime.
Yeah, I know. Slimes. Some people do that.
Slime and Orbeez?
Yeah.
So our next video, we're making slime Orbeez because this stuff is awesome.
Yeah.
Gussie's got this guy, which is like a
Blue slime inside. Whoa! This is the other thing.
It looks like the other thing?
Yeah, this.
Oh.
Blue slime.
We missed it. We popped this guy and we missed it. We missed the video. I didn't hit the button. Oh no. We'll have to pop the other one.
It looks like the egg yolk.
It does look like egg yolks. We thought it was gonna be orange, but it's just yellow. Because yellow and pink makes what?
Yellow and red makes orange.
Yeah,
and
so-
red is about the same as pink.
This is so gross.
I
And
don't
don't
do
do
this
this
at
at
home. It's not safe.
Yeah, definitely needing a parent because we're using scissors, and I don't think that stuff's good for your body.
Mom, I found a blue Orbeez.
She said,
Oh! It got all over you. Hold on,
Hey, it's babies. There's still more in it. Guys, definitely do not do that at home. Yeah, don't buy these and cut them. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching our video. Always remember you're special. You'll have a gift.
you're going to do great things.
Bye. Please like and subscribe. The Wild Child.